Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls who use my content and titles in their videos while dancing with the creature from Saw. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing, and we had 5 items. I just did one, and let's go to number 2. This is a small one. And this is another little gift for the kitties. I have no idea who sent this. I thank you for sending this. And we will open it up and let's... This is the Yowie... What is this? Yowie Pumpkin. So there is the Yowie Catnip Pumpkin. And little girl loved this, so now I can give another one to Fuzzy. I will do that right now. Fuzzy. And I will clip the tag off. And I will throw it down the hallway and see if Fuzzy reacts to it. Little girl loved it. But yeah, it went on the bed or something. Fuzzy, Fuzzy, Fuzzy. Well, throw it on the bed. Whoop. There it goes. All right, that's it for that one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, as sewer gab is still down. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. Stay safe. And no stimulus check yet. Probably till May. I sure could use it. So could Kathy. Bye-bye for now.